We are pleased to show you the 2013 Juke. The Juke is an adaptable and intelligent ride where handling meets turbocharged performance. This unique, sporty compact crossover fits your personal style perfectly and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, security system, heated front seats. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.